Hello, everyone. I'm Shaylin, and you're watching JISH Learn English Podcast. Today, we're going to practice something simple but truly important: greeting your neighbor in the morning. This is a real-life situation you will face again and again, and by the end of this episode, you'll be able to do it with confidence and a smile. We're going to have a natural conversation together. First, I'll play the friendly neighbor, and you'll take the other role. Then we'll switch, so you get comfortable on both sides. Ready to speak with me? Let's begin. Good morning! What a nice surprise to see you out here so early. You look bright-eyed this morning. Did you sleep well? I'm so glad you asked. I slept pretty well, thanks. Maybe not like a log, but I feel rested. The air feels fresh today, doesn't it? I was thinking the exact same thing. Not a cloud in the sky. Are you off to work soon? Oh, coffee first is always a good plan. I can't start my morning without it. Where do you usually grab your coffee? I do know it. The one with the yellow chairs outside, right? I love that spot. Sometimes I treat myself to a cappuccino there on weekends. I'd love that. It's been a while since we just sat and talked. So, apart from work, what's on your plate today? I have a pretty slow morning, which is rare. I'll probably water the plants and then do a bit of reading. Actually, I'm glad I ran into you. I've been meaning to ask how your family is doing. Oh, that's lovely. It's so important to spend time with family. Send her my warm wishes. Looks like the sun is really starting to warm things up. A perfect start to the day. Well, I don't want to keep you. You've got coffee and work waiting. Same here. Let's not be strangers. If you see me out here again, just wave and say hi. You too. Take care and enjoy your coffee. See you around. Wonderful job. That felt like a real morning chat, didn't it? Now here's where the magic happens. We're going to switch roles. This time, I'll be you and you will be the neighbor. You'll read the lines the neighbor said in our first conversation. That way, you practice both sides of the greeting. Everything you need to say will be on the screen. Ready to try it? Let's go. Good morning. It's really nice to see you too. I slept like a log, actually. How about you? It really does. It's shaping up to be a lovely day. Yes, I'm off to work in about 20 minutes, just grabbing a coffee first. There's a small cafe around the corner. They make a really nice latte. Do you know it? Exactly that place. You should join me one morning when you're free. We could catch up. Nothing too heavy, just a meeting in the morning, then some errands in the afternoon. And you? They're doing well, thanks for asking. My sister came to visit last weekend. We had a wonderful time together. I will. She'll be happy to hear that. True. I'd better hit the road soon. But it was so nice bumping into you like this. I'll definitely do that. Have a wonderful day. And that's the whole practice. You just greeted someone, asked about their sleep, talked about the weather, made a small plan, and said goodbye. All in natural, friendly English. Let's quickly look at 3 useful phrases you used today. First, I slept like a log. That means you slept very deeply and very well. It's a warm, natural idiom. Second, it's shaping up to be a lovely day. That's a lovely way to say the day looks like it will be nice. Third, I'd better hit the road. That's a friendly, informal way to say it's time to leave. You also heard catch up, on your plate, and take care, all of which make your English sound kind and real. You now have a whole conversation ready for the next time you see your neighbor in the morning. I hope you feel confident. If this practice helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to JISH Learn English Podcast so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for practicing with me today. You did amazingly well. Soft, warm smile. See you all in the next episode. Take care and happy speaking. Bye-bye.